walking. We will skip the workout today, but we will resort to walking instead. Due to high gas prices, I am walking to purchase banana and fish for our food. I really miss the feeling of just walking instead of a structured workout. But now, I have the opportunity to do so. Usually, the traffic is already heavy around 3:30 p.m. But I notice it's light today. It could be the effect of the high gas price, but that is just my opinion. For our meal, inununan and banana with kimchi. I usually pair the banana with ginamos, but only kimchi was available. So I tried it and it was perfect. Stay active, stay consistent.